This is Miguel Vega from Vega Designs, and today I want to present this amazing Defender and the work that we did. When Land Rover decided to produce this vehicle, they have zero intentions to do audio on their truck. Try to install any type of sound system on this thing is already a challenge. So previously, the truck has a installation that it was done before us. Sound system, it was really it was not great, but we were able to find different ways to achieve a great sound system. Here you can see what we did. First of all, we start adding sound damping into the doors just to get rid of any rattles. We did a lot of sound damping as well here, all the way around the speaker. And you're gonna be able to see the grills that are basically mimicking the same lines from the vehicle. So the best part about all of this is not just the exterior, it's what is behind it. So for that, I'm gonna have Ashley explaining exactly what we did.
My name's Ashley from Vega Designs, and I'm a team member here who specializes in 3D design and 3D printing and CNC. So to think about it, when you go to a theater or a concert, you have somewhere you know that you want to sit because of the visual or audio experience that it's going to grow for you. And we take that to another level here in high-end car stereo. So what you're gonna see is that where the speakers were originally done, like Miguel said in this vehicle, there was only one at the bottom that was not facing a good direction for the listening experience, and there was not a tweeter. So we actually came in and we developed special speaker adapters that are gonna have different degrees and angles to bring that audio experience to the best listening up where your ears are and not just out in the open in the vehicle. And now let's dive in a little deeper to some of the special design we do to create that experience. So right here, I'm sitting as the passenger because this is a right-hand drive, but originally there was only one speaker right here in this vehicle facing down. That's not gonna give us a lot of joy in our sound experience. So what did we do? We designed a 20-degree angle speaker adapter that is behind here and angling that speaker. So instead of hitting straight down, we're starting to work more and give us more time that then we can tune and develop that phase. Now, we also want a more complete sound. We can talk about the range and all of the hertz, but as like a quick description, a tweeter is gonna really let us hit those higher notes. So we have that up here, but worried about reflection straight up, not gonna give us the best goal in developing our soundstage. So again, we have a 15-degree speaker adapter right here that's gonna start to bring that tweeter more into my ideal listening range. So with both of those, being able to do that, it's gonna let us now come in and start to tune that digital sound processor. We're gonna be able to control image, left, right, and give it an experience. Because if you think of the speakers in your house around your TV, they face in, listening right in the middle of that TV is gonna be the best experience you're gonna get. As a driver or a passenger in this instance, we are off center. So now it's time for us to come in with our tuning software and start to move that stage for our best listening experience. Now I get to introduce you to our team member, Barney. Barney here is a really core part of our high-end audio team, and here's why. He is actually a dual microphone with one in each ear. And so we have some really talented tuners within our team who have been doing this before technology came out like this. But Barney just elevates it even more as we can control how long it takes every speaker to reach your ear, creating that best sound profile and listening experience it is. Because when it comes down to it, the technical part is something that we really enjoy and we specialize in, but with the goal of you just having a truly enjoyable listening while you drive.
So the unique part about this installation is that even if you see another Defender, it will not have the same audio experience that this one has. When they create this car, it was no audio involved in any of it, and we have the opportunity to create something very, very special that no other Defender has, and that's just a fact. When we designed this speaker pod, same thing, we tried to replicate something that it was already on the vehicle. We choose the same leather that it was used on the seats. We choose the same color on the grill, along with the lines on the rest of the grills. And when you see it, you're gonna notice that it looks just like it was meant to be there. And that's what our mindset is behind creating things that integrate into the car, not just dropping something in there and make it work.
So continuing to share kind of what Miguel was saying is these pods back here, we started looking at the space that was available, and then how can we create a pod that's going to give us a slight angle to start to bring that stage for the driver, and then also in the design having to recess in so that the grills stay flush. Allowing the grill to stay flush in that pod is what lets a vehicle like this Defender have all this amazing modern technology and sound experience. But then when someone comes in and takes a look at your vehicle, that they're like, that's a beautiful 90s Defender. And you then get to explain all the incredible elevated experience that's inside of it. So then the question comes, how do you add bass into a vehicle like the Defender that does not naturally have a lot of space for an enclosure to be built? That's when we get to bring in the almost to the market. We're one of the first 7 shops in the entire world that get to utilize this subwoofer, the Trulli TD 6.5. What is that? That is a 2.2 pound subwoofer with a 2.25 footprint located right here in this box. That once again has that matching leather, the super small enclosure that you need to give such a big bass performance that is only going to complement everything else within this system while also respecting the 90s era of this vehicle. There's so much design that went into this subwoofer enclosure that is only half a cubic foot. No matter what other subwoofer you're looking at, even if it's going to be slim, it is not going to be able to perform or even fit into a box this size and be able to do what it needs to do. So what you'll see here is you'll see a lot of design time that came in, cut on the CNC, both wood, really nice Russian Baltic birch, and a clear acrylic, so that from the top we can actually have a view of these beautiful Trulli 6.5s. And then to create this nice curve on the front end, we actually designed and 3D printed this piece to give that shape, just following a really clean look for everything in this Defender. You're gonna see that we have a single DIN Sony high-powered radio. We chose this one because our client already has it in other vehicles. So it's definitely gonna be ease of use, comfort as he goes between the different vehicles that he's driving in that audio experience. So right here, you can start to hear a little bit of that music coming on. Have it at a very comfortable level, can definitely hear the clarity. Love the tone of voice that's coming in. And right now I have a small feeling of that bass, but we can also turn on another song that's really gonna bring that beat for those of us who love to have that feeling throughout. So when we get to tune vehicles and develop it, we're always gonna tune something that's enjoyable no matter what music you're listening to. This is about to hit. All this power that we're experiencing is from those 6.5 Trullis. It's wild that they can perform to such a level. Again, in that small half a cubic foot space and everything, it's amazing. But back to what I was saying, when we tune, we really tune to the audio that our client enjoys, something that'll work for all genres, but we can get very specific. So we've done tunes in vehicles where it's been focused on funk music, on metal, on rock, Music City, a lot of country, but we also have done where we do up to 4 tunes within a vehicle. When we do that, we use a very special DSP from Moscone, and it's Gladiator controller, but it's just, we can do everything from a single tune, just enjoyable experience, to people who want to like make it one of a kind, what genre you're listening to. Is your car full of your family, or are you just enjoying the road by yourself with your pup that day? So that's kind of all the things that we can bring to the table.
My name is Miguel Vega, and I've been part of the industry of 12 volts, 12 years. Vega Designs has been in business for 4 years already, and we truly enjoy it. Why Vega Designs is different than any other place? We do this because, yes, it's a business, but at some point it was just a hobby. And now we are doing it because we love it. We truly lovers from music, for cars, and I think when you love what you do, you make everything so special and so different.
What makes Vega Designs different? Our true passion and what we're constantly doing to our own vehicles, and our desire and growth. We really invest a lot into our team and elevated training, and also our technology. And that's what lets us really always stay at the forefront in what we can deliver to our clients. For example, like this Defender, there's no other audio experience like this that has been developed, in bringing that level of audio to such a classic car that wasn't built to have audio like that. So we're just really enjoy taking what we love and bring it to the highest level in all aspects.